Hi everyone, here's Mohammed and this is our new video about VMD, and I'm sorry I haven't posted any videos for a while because there's no time to prepare new videos, but today we're going to have a nice tutorial about using TCL scripting in VMD. In a previous video we learned some introduction and some basic TCL commands in VMD Tk console, and it was just an initiation to your mind about scripting. I'm just dealing with beginners. So in this video, we're gonna have more advanced, a little bit advanced TCL command lines, and we're gonna write our first script from scratch. So as I said before, script is just a group of command lines. So we're gonna write the command lines organized in a text file and learn how to import it into VMD to perform it. So today my model structure, it's a protein solvated in water. Let's check it. I like the view of proteins in a water. Look, a lot of water molecules, the red ones, and protein in the center of the box. So what I want to do, I want to at the beginning go to the TK console, just there, and I want to learn how to set variable in VMD. How to set a variable to perform operation over this variable. We learned this in the first video. But in any video, when we're gonna go for scripting, we should assign variable to VMD to perform our commands or calculations. So I'm gonna do the first mission. I wanna know the dimensions of this box. X and Y and Z, because if you're going to perform molecular dynamic simulation, you need to know the unit dimensions of your system. So this is simple. Let's first assign our system or selection. I'm going to say set. Set is used to declare the variable in TCL scripting. So I set all. You can make it set Muhammad, set A, set B, but I'm get used to this language. Set all, and I go atom, select top all, and let's close it and hit enter. So now I selected all the atoms in my structure. Then we want to know the dimensions of this system, of all the system, not only the protein. So there's a nice command in VMD, and you say measure. Yes, if it's green, yeah, it means that it does exist in VMD. Measure min, max, and $sign to bring my variable all. So you see, it turns red. So I'm saying measure min, max for my selection. No need to reselect again and hit enter. Yeah, that's a problem. You see, there's a typo here. I say measure min, max, all. What the problem? Oh, I know the problem. I need this space. Sorry for this. So we are learning together. So you see, simple mistake will make you turn around and try to figure the problem. So don't forget to have a space between the name of the argument and your selection. So measure min, max, and all, and hit enter. And here you will find two vectors contains your values. Here x, y, that, x, y, that. So if you want to know the total dimension of your system in, say, in x, so you're gonna have the absolute value of a combination of two values. So it's gonna be 90 something. You ignore the negative. The negative charge is to tell you the direction of your vector. So what we can do is, now I know the dimension of my system. This is important. Also, for molecular dynamics, you need to know the center of your system. So to know the center, again, I'm gonna use measure. This time we're not going to have mistakes again. Measure, I wrote measure. What happened? Measure. Again, I have a problem on keyboard. Measure, yes, and say center. Measure the center, and for my selection, all. Yeah, thankfully we didn't make any mistake. So here with the center of my system, it's 0.00, almost 0, minus 0.03, minus or positive 0.04. So it's just three values because the center is only in one direction. And now we know both the dimensions and the center of my system. So the second step is for some simulations during the minimization and equilibration steps, you need to fix a part of your system, usually the protein, and minimize these water molecules to let them move and find their comfy configuration. So you need to create a fixed atom or a system with a fixed protein. And if we go to structure, let's check something here. In the PDB structure, the beta column is assigned to 0. So this means that it can move. If it's assigned to 1, so the structure now is fixed. So in my initial structure, all of them are zeros here. So if I run a simulation and apply force, all of them are going to move. So you see all of them here, 0, 0, 0, 0, till even my protein here. Yeah, here's protein, chain B. It's assigned to 0. So we want to create a PDB structure with a protein fixed because we're going to use it later in our new videos about minimization and equilibration of systems for molecular dynamics. So that's pretty simple. I will get back into my lovely VMD. I like VMD. And I'm gonna assign a new selection, and I say set fix atom. Set fix atom select top. I have only the protein, but I am used to say top protein. Close it. Yes, and here you're gonna have the new selection. We're gonna tell VMD for all the structures set beta equals 0. I want to have a structure with the that can move because you're going to have both of them. You're not going to use one of them. You're going to assign your normal structure and the structure with the protein fixed in your molecular dynamics simulation with name D. And hit enter. And now it's okay. And I'm going to say for fixed atom, Mr. VMD, set beta 1. Yes, now it's assigned to 1, but I want to get a structure. I want to make PDB write a structure. So I want to make VMD write a PDB structure with these selections. So I'm going to tell VMD from all write PDB, and I call it fix atom dot PDB. And I hit enter. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, it worked. And if I go to my working directory, I'm gonna find it here. Fix atom. It just arrived now. And let's compare them. Yeah, this is the water. The beta column is still 0, as it is. And for protein, start gonna see here's from here. It's gonna be 1 from all of this. But in the main structure, it was zeros. So now we did the fixed atom. So when I was learning, I was just repeating all the process again and again, but you can save your script in VMD and just import it here, and without writing all of this, you just repeat it again. So let's try to do it. So let's try to write a very simple script from scratch. I'm gonna get a new text file, and I'm gonna write all the comments I wrote again. And I say, what we said is, just we're gonna say, yeah, from the beginning. Let's start from the beginning. Set all. Actually, I want to save some time and get the ready script here. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about. Instead of writing from scratch and making the video longer and waste your time, I already wrote it before the video. So it is the same as we wrote in the VMD. Set all, atom select top all, set fixed atom, atom select top protein, and set fixed atom. For fixed atom, set beta equal to 1, for all set beta equal to 0, and write PDB. So I'm gonna get it copy here, because I hate the long YouTube videos. And I'm gonna save it, and let's try. It might not work. Let's hope. The problem is the TCL script. So the script would be in TCL format. So I changed text to TCL, and let's name it our cute first script. Yes. Yeah. And let's go to VMD and call this script. And let's to get sure that the script works, let's delete the fixed atom. Get the hell out of here. And we're gonna go to VMD and let me get sure that we are in the correct directory. Yes. Yes, I have my script here. And to call a script to VMD and perform your job is use the word source. What's your source? And just say cute. No, it starts with our cute, and just type and it will come. And you hit enter and wait, and it worked. So you see, you got your fixed atom again. So no need to write everything in command again. And this is what I was doing while learning. I'm also new to scripting and this stuff. So you just saved your time instead of writing and selecting. And by the way, for this script, you might sorry, this is not my file. Yeah, for this script, you can add your selections here. You can modify it. You can do a lot of stuff. But this is the simplest script you can ever find anywhere. And as I said in the first part of this introduction, that I mean, we don't need to write the script from scratch. You're gonna find a lot of already written scripts in VMD website, so you can just adjust it for your use, as we did before in RMSF analysis video. But it's good to write from scratch, and I'm struggling to learning TCL scripting in Python. But as an experimentalist, it's quite hard, but we are learning together. So now we learned how to get the min and max and the percentage dimensions of VMD, of your structure in VMD. And now we learned how to write a fixed atom to PDB, how to fix a part of your protein, port constraints, and to save it, and how to write your first script. And that's it. Thank you. And stay tuned for new videos. I hope I have time for it. And if you have any comments, if you have any corrections, just let me know in the comment sections. And like the video and comment, because we're gonna be I want to reach more viewers as any YouTuber. So don't forget to subscribe and comment and like.